Understanding print statements.
Print statements are a simple yet powerful way to understand what your code is doing. By temporarily adding print commands, you can track the values of variables, check which parts of your code are running, and catch unexpected behavior. Mastering this classic technique helps you quickly spot bugs, especially in the early stages of programming and troubleshooting.
Where to insert print statements.
Place print statements at key points in your code, before and after important calculations, inside loops, and at decision branches. This lets you see how variables change and trace how your code flows. By breaking problems into small parts with print statements, you can pinpoint exactly where things go wrong.
What to print for maximum clarity.
Be specific in your print statements. Include labels, variable names, and their values. For example, typing print x value x is clearer than just printing x. If you're working with functions, print input arguments and return values. This makes it much easier to understand output and spot mistakes.
Cleaning up after debugging.
Once you've found and fixed the bug, remove or comment out your print statements before making your code final. Leaving debug prints in production code can clutter output, slow down performance, and reveal sensitive information. Some programmers use a logging library instead to control the level of detail shown.
When print isn't enough.
Print statements are best for simple bugs. For more complex issues, you might need a debugger or advanced logging for deeper insight. However, don't underestimate the print statement. It remains a vital first step in understanding, tracing, and fixing code problems in any language.